Welcome. To Out of the Blue, number 243. Other Worlds. Space, Superspace, and the Quantum Universe by Paul Davies. Prologue, page 11. Scientific revolutions tend to be associated with a major restructuring of human perspectives. Copernicus's claim that the Earth did not occupy the center of the universe began a disintegration of religious dogma that tore Europe apart. Darwin's theory of evolution upset centuries of belief in the special biological status of humans. Hubble's discovery that the Milky Way is but one among billions of galaxies scattered throughout an expanding universe opened up new vistas of celestial immensity. It is therefore remarkable that the greatest scientific revolution of all time has gone largely unnoticed by the general public, not because its implications are uninteresting, but because they are so shattering as to be almost beyond belief, even to the scientific revolutionaries themselves. And so that is kind of happening now, that these ideas are being integrated. The idea of a multiverse, multiple universes. And what I'm saying, neo-Swedenborgianistically, is that it can be interpreted as everyone having their own individual spirit world, an afterlife, so to speak, that we experience as not only real and not only very real, but, and I quote other people here, more real than real. Something so real that it is perceived by people as more real than this world. This is something we can think about, and this is something we can look forward to. Our own personal heaven, but I hesitate to use words like heaven. I prefer the spirit world, Summerland. The specific vocabulary term sometimes causes some problems with some people. The concept itself is universal, and I'm saying neo-Swedenborgianistically could even be seen as physiological. It is part of the way our mind and body work. So, to get back to what he says, this is very interesting because Copernicus's claim that the Earth did not occupy the center of the universe began a disintegration of religious dogma that tore Europe apart. Well, we're coming a kind of full circle now, where suddenly we have this idea that we may really be bound. I mean, on our way to individually, each of us individually, on our way to an eternal afterlife of our own making. And so it is no longer supportable that life just ends when you die. It is supportable that life goes on for us individually. The question as to whether it's a shared experience or not is one I can't answer and one I'm not addressing. It is certainly a subjective individual experience. As is this life itself.